Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with probably the last tip for the SHEDWARS21 season. And it has to do with fall gardening and the cabbage I planted, which you saw in my last gardening tip. Forget that. Here's my cabbage area. You may note the lack of flourishing cabbage plants. Now this tip may just be for those that live in the South or in Arkansas. I mean, if you're in the South, I assume it's a similar issue. There's a lot of bugs around in August, in late summer, and especially grasshoppers. I'm assuming they're the culprits, but anyway, whatever they are, they like cabbage as much in the late summer as they do in the spring, which I had problems. Well, almost every single plant. Oh, there's my shadow. I always make fun of people that video their own shadow. So, hey, I'll make fun of myself. Almost every single plant that sprouted has been chewed up and is gone. Actually, I think all of them have. If you see, there's just the weeds popping up here and there. Every one of them sprouted. Actually, both seeds sprouted. I had two. Oh, hey, look. There we go. Look at that flourishing cabbage plant. Jeez. And actually, that's not a cabbage plant. I think that's actually, a weed that grew up right in the right spot. Yeah, they're all gone. All the green ones are gone. All the purple ones are gone. So, your tip, or the tip, is, oh no, wait. There's one, hey, and there's another. I don't hold out much hope for them though. Anyway, the tip is row covers, at least for cabbage. I mean, I planted some beans. I'll just go ahead and show you those. I mean, look at these beans growing. Whatever likes cabbage doesn't like beans much, or else, you know, the beans, they pop up and grow big. Cabbage just seems to take a long, I'm not sure what it is, maybe that's my fault, but anyway, if you're still around and I'm still around when spring comes around, you're going to be seeing me making a stab at cabbage again, but I'm going to make some row covers this time, and they can't be these kind of row covers. I had these were I put together for being able to keep chickens out, or to be able to, you know, throw something over to keep frost from killing plants. This tip isn't about row covers. Well, it is about row covers, but not how to make one, because it's too late for these. So anyway, this is I think my last tip video, like I said, for Shed Wars. So this is Arkansas Pilgrim signing off from Shed Wars Tips. God bless y'all, and probably see you on some final videos, for like, I'm growing a large pepper, so we'll see that, or for the final weigh-in videos or whatever. But anyway, God bless y'all, and see you next time I see you.